students, once again welcome back for mathematics online class. Today we shall begin new exercise in mathematics, that is exercise 6.1. For this you can refer to page number 110 in your textbook. I'll read out the question. Using the divisibility rules, find if the given numbers are divisible by the numbers mentioned. Question number 1, divisible by 2. Suppose if a number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones or unit place, that number is an even number, and even number is always divisible by 2. Once again I repeat, suppose if a number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place or unit place, that number is an even number which is always divisible by 2. As you can see, first one here, 79,848. As you can see here, there is 8 in ones or unit place. That means this number is divisible by 2. We'll write simply 79,848 is divisible by 2. Reason, as there is 8 in its ones or units place, which is an even number. As you know that even number is always divisible by 2. 79,848 is divisible by 2, as there is 8 in its ones or unit place, which is an even number. Even number is always divisible by 2. Now second one here, 64,967. As you can see here, there is 7 in its ones or unit place. 7 is an odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2. Therefore, 64,967 is not divisible by 2, as there is 7 in its ones or units place, which is an odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2. As you can see here, 79,848 is divisible by 2 because there is 8 in its ones or unit place, which is an even number. Even number is always divisible by 2, and this number is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 64,967 is not divisible by 2, as there is 7 in its ones or unit place, which is an odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2. Now question number 2, divisible by 3. Here, suppose if the sum of the digit of the number is multiple of 3, that number is divisible by 3. Once again I repeat, if the sum of the digit of the number is multiple of 3, that number is divisible by 3. First one here, 737. 737. Sum of the digits. Sum means you have to add. Equals to 7 plus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore 737 is not divisible by 3. 17 is not a multiple of 3. Therefore 737 is not divisible by 3. Now second number here, 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 4 lakh 28,142. Sum of the digits. We'll add all the digits present in this number. Here, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 2, 21. 17 here, 4 plus 2. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 2, 21. 21 is a multiple of 3. 21 is a multiple of 3, or 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore 4,28,142 is divisible by 3. Now here we have question number 3 and 4. Question number 3, divisible by 4. Suppose if the number formed by the last 2 digits of the number, if this number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Once again I repeat here, if the number formed by the last 2 digits of the number, if it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. As you can see here, 624. Number formed by the last 2 digits is 24. As you know that 24 is divisible by 4. That means this 624 is divisible by 4. And here 5983. The number formed by the last 2 digits is 83. 83 is not divisible by 4. That means 5983 is not divisible by 4. Now here next, here the number formed by the last 2 digits is 68. 68 is divisible by 4. 4 1 the 4, 2 left here, 28, 4 7 the 28. Here 68 is divisible by 4. That means this number is divisible by 4. Now here the number formed by the last 2 digits is 65. 65 is not divisible by 4. That means 4965 is not divisible by 4. Here first 624. Here the number formed by the last 2 digits is 24. The number formed by the 2 last digit, the number formed by the 2 last digit is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Therefore 624 is divisible by 624 is divisible by 4. Now I'll take this number 4965. The number formed, sorry, here, the number formed by the two last digit is 65. 65 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 4965 is not divisible by 4. As you can see here, the number formed by the last two digits is 65. 65 is not divisible by 4. As you can see here, 4 1 are 4, 2 left, 6 minus 4 is 2. We'll bring this 5 down here. 4 6 are 24. Here, 65 is not completely divided by 4. As you can see here, 1 is the remainder. So this number 4965 is not divisible by 4. Now next question number 4, divisible by 5. Suppose if a number has 0 or 5 in its ones or unit place, that number is divisible by 5. Once again I repeat here, if a number has 0 or 5 in its ones or unit place, that number is divisible by 5. As you can see here, 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, 1,28,960. This number is divisible by 5 as there is 0 in its ones or unit place. This also divisible by 5. Here, this 56,985 is also divisible by 5. As you can see here, there is 5 in its ones or unit place. And this number 7,428 is not divisible by 5 as there is 8 in its ones or unit place. Now I'll take this one first. 1,28,960. 1,28,960 is divisible by 5 as there is 0 in its ones or units place. Now I'll take another last one, 7,428. 7,428 is not divisible by 5 as there is 8 in its ones or units place. Now here we have question number 5 and 6. Question number 5, divisible by 6. Suppose if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. Once again I repeat here, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. As you can see here, first number here, 1 tens 100, 1,000, 2,469. As you can see here, there is 9 in ones place. It is not divisible by 2 because 9 is an odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2. Here this number is not divisible by 2. That means this number is not divisible by 6. Now sum of this number. This number is not divisible by 2. Sum of this number 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 is a multiple of 3. It is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now 4372. This is an even number. There is 2 in one's place, 4 in one's place, 6 in one's place. All these are even number. All these numbers are divisible by 2. Now 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 15, 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is also not divisible by 6. Now here 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 4, 27. 27 is a multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3. First I'll take this one. 2, 4, 6, 9. Here 2, 4, 6, 9. 2469 is not divisible by 2 as there is 9 in its units of one's place. One's place, which is an odd number. I'll write n dot. Now here, therefore, I don't write here sum of this digit because there is no space for next question. So therefore 2469 is not divisible by 6. Now next number I'll write here. This number I'll write 9684. See here, 9684 is divisible by 2 as there is 4 in its one's place, which is an even number. Sum of the digits 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 4, 27. 27 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible. 27 is divisible by 3. 27 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, here we will write this number. Therefore, 9684 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now this finished. Now next your question number 6. Divisible by 8. Suppose the number formed by the last 3 digits And if this number is divisible by 8, that number is divisible by 8. As you can see here, last 3 digit your 999. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 9,999. The number formed by the last 3 digit here 999. Here the number formed by the last 3 digit is 48. 6 8 are 48. Or 8 6 are 48. This is divisible by 8. You will check it out afterwards. This 34. 034. This number is not divisible by 8. So this number is also not divisible by 8. 112. The number formed by the last 3 digit is 112. It is divisible by 8. The number formed by the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. So 5112 is divisible by 8. Now first I'll take this one. 9999. The number formed by the last 3 digits is equals to 999. Now here we'll check it out, this 999 whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 8 ones are 8. So 1 left here. 9. 8 twos are 16. 3 left. 19 minus 16 is 3. Now here 9. 8 fives are 40. So 8 fours are 32. Now 7 left. 39 minus 42 is 7. Here 999 is not completely divided by 8. As you can see here, 7 is left as the remainder. So here 999 is not divisible by 8. Therefore 9999 is not divisible by 8. Last number I'll take here. Now last number is 5112. Last 3 digit. The number formed by the last 3 digit is the number formed by the last 3 digit is equals to how much? 112. We'll check it out. Whether this 112 is divisible by 8 or not. Here 112. 8. 8 ones are 8. Now subtract this 8 from 11. 9, 10, 11. 3 left. Now we'll bring this 2 down here. Now divide 32. 8 fours are 32. As you can see here, the number formed by the last 3 digit is 112. This 112 is completely divided by 8. Therefore, this 5112 is divisible by 8. 112 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 5112 is divisible by 8. Dear children, now we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.